Here's a look at current weather conditions in Grand Forks at 10:55 a.m. on a Saturday. This is the UND Skycam looking west here. Temperature 2 degrees, humidity 80%, winds northwest at 28 miles per hour with gusts up to 38 miles per hour. Wind chill minus 22 degrees. That blizzard warning to last until 6 p.m. tonight. Well, here's a look at the road map for North Dakota road conditions. I-29 from Grand Forks all the way to the South Dakota border has been closed, and I-94 from Fargo to Bismarck. Eastern North Dakota, no travel advised. We're still in a blizzard warning until around 6 p.m. tonight. Let's take a look over at the Minnesota side. Okay, here's the Minnesota road map. That dark pink line all over basically the entire state. Northern Minnesota means roads are completely covered. Take a look at some snowplow cams here. This one is, where is this? Highway 2 by the Fisher Rest area, just east of East Grand Forks. You can see a snow-covered road there. Take a look at some more of them here. Let's go up by Pembina. This is up by Pembina, by St. Vincent on Highway 171. We'll keep clicking around here, show you a couple more things. This is Highway 32. This would be east of Crookston on the way up to Red Lake Falls. And maybe one more. We'll look at this one more snowplow cam. This is over by Bemidji. You can see roads snow covered all over the place. The problem is also in many areas, windy, poor visibility, snow covered roads. Best idea, stay home. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNews.tv.